Hello, all dears. In this video today, we shall be talking about digital minimalism. I think most of you know, especially the students of postmodern literature, that maximalism and minimalism were the terms which were specific to postmodernism. But in our 21st century, these two terms have also gained currency. And out of these two, I shall be talking today about minimalism with reference to digital minimalism. Dear students, we need to talk about this. Why so? Because we are today surrounded by the world of information and electronic gadgetry, because of which our maximum time is wasted on these things while we're just browsing through it or just trying to find a particular message or just trying to kill a time. But it engages us in such a way that we are addicted to the tech use now, and that tech has created a lot of engagement for us, and that is why we are most of the time wasting our time there. And as a result, instead of using the electronic media for the sake of positivity and for gaining knowledge or for spreading knowledge, we have started to take it as a thing of hobby, as a thing of interest, as a thing of killing of time. And so, consequently, our many of the tasks remain incomplete, which are very necessary for our productivity and for creativity and for going ahead. So that is why the need is there that we somehow must learn digital minimalism. All of you know that there are a number of applications these days: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and many more. These all the time engage us. Some people are engaged with the messengers, some people are engaged with the kind of posts that they make on Instagram and Facebook, all these things, and then constantly they check it out as well, whether some answer has come, whether some like has come, or some a harsh comment of, so of course, some bad comment or good comment, and we keep on engaging with that. That is why we are lost within the time, and as a result, it's very difficult to come up with the positive and useful use of this type of media. And so I can say that instead of giving us a benefit, media is engulfing us, which is all around us. It is taking us by storm, and we are 100% engaged in that. And so that is just a type of wastage of time that is not going to give us any use. That is why we must learn what is digital minimalism. Digital minimalism is a term that is invented, that is introduced in order to let the people make a choice which digital media they should consume, when they should consume, and what they should consume, so that the targeted use of digital media can be made and the time can be saved and the browsing can be saved and the benefit of the real could be obtained through that. And as a result, one should only try to use those applications which are productive applications. For example, Microsoft Word application, Sargent Paintbrush application, or one can also go for dictionaries, for example, or any other applications which are really very useful instead of roaming about and wasting the time on useless applications. And then, what actually the motive behind this little talk is that instead of becoming a victim of the technology, instead of taking it as a facilitation for us, we may not become the trap of all that. For example, if you look at the television, we have 200, more than 200 channels, and sometimes 300 channels are consumed, are shown and told to us that these are there. If we try to find out individually that which channel is showing what, we need at least 6 hours to go through all that. And if not 6 hours, possibly 2 hours are required to find out which programs are going on what channel and which is of our choice. Instead of that, if we go to the program list on the website of these TV channels, we can find out the program timing, the TV channel, and if we are interested in that program or not. In that way, we should watch only that program which is very much necessary for us, which is our choice. And instead of wasting time, we won't be able to go for that. And the same way, some programs are there for which lots of ads are run at that time when they are on air for the first time, but when they are repeated at that time, very little advertisements are there, and the similar programs can be watched on YouTube with very little type of wastage of time on advertisement watching. So as a result, we can design our electronic activity by using the term digital minimalism. We should first of all make a homework before entering into any platform, that why we are entering, what is the reason behind that, what kind of plan we have for this, and if it is really very necessary, then we should target it, which channel, which platform we are to use, what type of posts we are to engage with, and where we have to answer and where we will not be answering at all, and in what type of things we are showing our interest and to whom we are showing our interest. If these things are considered, definitely the result would be that we may be not wasting our time in obtaining what the things we want to achieve, what the purpose we want to get out of these digital media, instead of wasting our time 100%. We need to reduce our screen timing. Otherwise, it can harm us in many ways. That the time is wasted, useful work is not done, eyes are affected, and mind also becomes boggling at that time when we are too much involved with that. So that is why it's very much necessary that media, electronic media, and the word which is called digital must be taken only as an extension of our facility, not as a kind of thing which can control our minds. Right now, it's the same happening. So that is why I thought it proper to convey this message to my students, to my friends, and to my audience, and to my followers, that instead of remaining all the time glued to the screen of your cell phone or your laptop or your tablet or to the TV screen, you must conduct targeted operation, and that will reduce your time of the screen, and that will give you more opportunity to engage with the natural world instead of this digital world. And really, you will be able to get benefit which is necessary to be gotten from Google, from YouTube, or from other platforms. So that was about digital minimalism. Some more extension will be done in this when it comes in the print form, but so far necessary and sufficient. And thank you very much for watching. Hope you like it. And if you like it and you have achieved something beneficial out of this video, do not fail to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you watch it on TV, on YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you in some next video.